Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gilmore Friday. My name is Taylor and this is Budget with Taylor. So happy Friday, guys. I am so excited for today's video. I feel like it's been forever since I stuffed my Gilmore binder. I think I say this about each of my binders, but I think this one is my favorite binder. Because for one, it's just giving fall. I love it. It's Gilmore Girls and we love Gilmore Girls. And speaking of Gilmore Girls, you guys, we have some happy mail. Well, I have some happy mail that I'm going to share with you all. So guys, I was going through my emails and I happened to stumble across an email from a subscriber named Angela. So pretty much she says she just happened to stumble across my channel and she pretty much just said her and her best friend Georgia, they make free saving challenges and they had a Gilmore Girls saving challenge. Guys, this is free. This is free and it is so stinking cute. So they make tons of free saving challenges on their Ko-Fi. And they love Gilmore Girls. And I'm like, she said pretty much when she saw my Gilmore Girls series, she had to send this to me. And I'm so happy that she did because this is just perfect. So it says you jump, I jump, and it's in Insomnia Paratus. And this is the first challenge. And then this one is where you lead, I'll follow, which is a roll and save for pizza. And this is I smell snow because Lorelai, that was her superpower, was she can smell snow until she got a bad experience with snow, which I thought was hilarious. And then this one is Luke's coffee, which is so stinking cute. And then we have a Gilmore Girls, just an icon challenge. And then we have a Chilton for Rory's uniform. So because it's both of them, Angela and Georgia, their Ko-Fi is 2 Texas chicks and their Instagram is 2 Texas chicks. I'm not sure if they have a YouTube. I don't see where she had it listed, but we did chat for a little bit through email when I saw that she sent me this. So Angela and Georgia, thank you both so much. This is the perfect addition to my Gilmore challenge. So this is my little happy mail and I'm just so excited because it's so stinking cute. So I'm definitely gonna laminate it and add it in the binder because this is not just for the month of October, y'all. I think I'm going to carry this out all fall season. So again, you guys, thank you so much. And you guys check out 2 Texas chicks and their free Ko-Fi challenges. This is absolutely amazing. So thank you. Okay, you guys, so excited. I kind of want to laminate them now and add it in. That means I would have to stop what I'm doing. But anyway, this is my Gilmore Friday challenge. And in today's video, we will be adding 125. So we have 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we'll be adding $125 to our Gilmore Fridays. And again, guys, I'm only stuffing so much because I missed a week. So that is why it is getting so much. So yay to that. I'm saving you, idiot. Bullshit. So stinking cute. And if you guys are joining me for Gilmore Fridays, tag me. Why? Because we want to see. I want to see. Love it. So yeah, $125 is going into this challenge. And if I'm being honest, I guess I really didn't have to stuff that much into this challenge since we're doing it for the fall season, but it's okay. So you have $125 and I don't remember. Oh, this is where we left off. Perfecto. So let me get my brown marker. Okay, so I have my brown marker and I got my little brown fall dice. So let's scooch this over, and this is where we last left off. So this is the Stars Hollow challenge. Yeah. And let's see. So yeah, this is a Stars Hollow challenge, and this one is from, I believe, the General. So, what do I want to do? Do I want to go in order, or do I want to roll? Let's roll. Yeah, let's roll. So let's see which one we're gonna do today. And I hope you guys are having a great Friday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says, oi, with the poodles already. Who said that? That's funny. So we're going to mark off that one, and we're going to add $5 to this challenge. So -5. So our first $5 is going into our Gilmore Friday for today. And then next we have, oof, this right here is a heavy hitter. This is my Friday night rolls. And pretty much like you're just rolling a meal, you're rolling your dice for your meal course. And you have the wines, because you know they always started off with drinks, and you have the appetizers, then you have the entrees, and then you have the wine refill, then you have the dessert dramas, and you have Emily Guilt Trip. So I believe with this one, I don't remember how much it saves total, but it's definitely a heavy hitter because it's a high drama, high stakes, higher savings. So let's roll to see which course we're gonna do. I think because now we got a little extra money, I kind of want to mark off this like $30 one. So wine refill, which is $20. So $20 is going into this one. So this is my Friday night roll, and it is available in my Etsy. And also, you guys, you can message me on Instagram for orders. I just haven't updated my listing yet, but pretty much if you guys are interested, just message me. Like, I have a full-time corporate job, so a lot of times like I really don't have time to like update stuff. But I promise you, if you message me and if you're interested in the challenge, baby, we can work it out. All right, so this one is another one from the General. And this one is kind of like a, what's it called? Like a row and column type challenge. I'm not sure what you call that. So that's that one. So let's roll to see which one we're gonna do. All right, so let's roll. All right, so let's do 2 here, 3. So Luke, so this one is $10. So -10 is going into this challenge. All right, and then, oh yeah, okay. We have another one from the General. We have a lot of the General challenge because, yeah, I couldn't find like a lot of Gilmore challenges, which is why I made my own. But now that I know the 2 Texas chicks have some, we're definitely going to be like finishing up some and switching them out. So let me grab my scratchy toolie. Okay, so I got my scratchy toolie. So let's roll. Number 2, 1, 2. Ooh, okay, so it says scratch and save the given amount or roll the dice and write the amount. Okay, so I actually have more brown dices. So I have a good bit of these, which I found. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the, should I do the 20-sided dice? Ooh. Okay, don't run out, girl. Let's do the 12-sided dice. Let's get a 12-sided dice. Okay, so let's roll. Since we're doing number 2. What is, I don't even know what, let's roll again. I feel like that was cheating. 11, so $11 is going into this one. So I guess we didn't need the scratchy tool. So I guess we can just put that there. So 10, 11 is going into this challenge. And then next we have this one from, ooh, so should we complete this one? Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16. And then, oh, that means I have to laminate it and cut it. All right, so I'm gonna finish this challenge, and then that way, by next time, I can add in 2 Texas chicks. I can add in one of their challenges. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna complete this one. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whoa, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. So minus $16. And this challenge is complete. So yay to that. So 10, 15, 16. We didn't have to, you know, pull it out. So 16. So I guess with this one, we started off here. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this should be $30. So we have 10, 20, 25, 27, 29, 30. Yay. The math is mathin'. And we love it when the math. Why? Because it is sexy. All right, so next time we play this, which is next week, I will have the 2 Texas chicks. I will have one other challenge just in this spot. So yay to a completed challenge. All right, so next we have my challenge. And this is just another scratch off. I'm not going to open it. So we have $63 left. All right, so I'm just gonna excuse me. Wow, yeah, I should just went in order. Cool. All right, so we scratched off a 7. All right, so minus 7, so 5, 7 is going into this challenge. All right, we're at $56. And then we have this Gilmore Girls, and this one is from Blake over at Wallet Wells. Oh, okay, so we have $56 left. All right, let's just roll to see which one we're gonna do. 2, 1, 2, $30. Oh my gosh, I picked up the right marker without even realizing it. So that's great. Because I just picked up a marker and started coloring. All right, so we have $26. And we were able to... Were we able to do? No, we did not. So let's see. Let's do our Gilmore goals. And we have the... So if we can do these 3 with $26, then that would be perfect. Okay. So let's do my Gilmore goals. And each icon is worth 10. So yeah, let's do this coffee cup. And we have $10. Okay, so that one is complete. And then we have this one. And this one is help Rory graduate Chilton. So the next one is she received a bad grade, so it's $15. She received a D-. Oh, we have $1 left. Oh my gosh. We have $1 left. That is insane. That is insane. Okay. What are we gonna do with this $1, y'all? What are we gonna do with this $1? So, what are we gonna do with this $1? Let's see. Come on. Dang. We're not gonna add anything more in here. Let's see if there's anything on Luke's Diner for $1. Nothing. We have nothing. So I think, ooh, okay, that's an idea, Taylor. Wait, so you remember how Hannah over at Prop Budgets, oh my gosh, is it Prop Budgets? Either way, she has a at the mall challenge, and if you had money rolled over, she had like a donation where you can like add that extra money. So I think what I'm going to do with that extra $1, we're gonna tip Luke here. We're gonna tip Luke $1. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tip Luke $1. So let me grab my little sticky notes. Okay, so we got my little sticky note. I'm just gonna write here, tip Luke $1. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I remember that. So anytime like we have like a low amount left over, instead of like having like an IOU or rolling it over, we're just gonna add it to the guest check challenge where we tip Luke. So yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna write tip Luke $1, aka extra $1 into this challenge. So we will pick up it's -1. So that is perfect. I am happy. I am super happy with this. I'm just gonna add it to the back like this. Yeah, it's perfect. Cool. So that is it, you guys. That is it for my Gilmore Friday. Oops, I forgot to put this to let me know where we need to pick up for next time. All right, y'all. So again, that is it for Gilmore Fridays. Y'all, I love this chat. I love this series. I love the series so much. We were able to complete a challenge. So next time we play, we will add one of these saving challenges to our collection, which is so stinking cute. So that worked out like perfectly. But yeah, you guys, if you guys are playing Gilmore Fridays, tag me. I cannot stress that enough. Tag me. If you're not playing Gilmore Fridays, what are you doing? You should definitely join me and like tag along. Like, what are you doing? It's the Gilmore Girls. But as always, I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.